Hello, I'm Merman Tien who comes from Vietnam. My major jobs are an animal rescuer, scuba diver, ocean conservation enthusiast, road the siren certification, and an enthusiastic lover of all things merfolk. I am incredibly excited to welcome you into my Tri-Mermaid course this year.
Rồi lên bờ đi. Mấy em sẽ đứng ở đây khởi động nha. Bơi lại tiếp.
The Siren course or Tri-Merman course offers mermen, a solid foundation in technique and safety, covering everything from equipment maintenance, breath hold and monofin technique, open water safety, and conservation. This class is a must for building your merman skills. Whether you are a hobbyist or looking to become a professional, this course is designed to ensure you have the skills and knowledge to merman safely. Students must be 6 years or older and be confident in their swimming ability by the time of the in-water portion of the course at Merman Tien Club. Students will be required to fill out a Tien medical questionnaire and in rare cases may need physician's approval to join the class. Minors need parental consent to join the class. During the in-person portion of the course, students will apply the practical skills of mermanning and demonstrate their skills for certification. In person, we will practice dolphin kick technique, breath hold technique, basic rescue, basic underwater modeling poses.
Các em đã sẵn sàng tới vòng thi thứ 2 chưa?
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me colorblind, yeah.
This entry-level program gives you the opportunity to experience the underwater world in a confined water setting. You will earn the Siren certification.
All I know is we're here, and they took us somewhere. So what they say we call it falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, and they took us somewhere. So what they say we call it falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.